In the past 30 days, this channel has been clocking anywhere between $700 to $2,000 every month. And this is not common to only this channel. There are several other channels that are creating very simple storytelling kids videos and making thousands and thousands of dollars every month. In this video, I am going to tell you step by step how you can do it too. And all the tools I mentioned in this video are absolutely free. You are going to go to ChatGPT and you are going to ask ChatGPT for a story. Or you can use your own creative brain and create a story. But if not, you always have ChatGPT. So for that, we are going to write a prompt, write a story for kids animation video. Let's say you want to teach the kids about being nice to people. And since the animations are going to be very simple, you can keep the limit of characters to 2 to 3. So keep only 3 characters. Now it is very important to mention that the scene is happening in just one location because GPT might think out loud and write a story that is more complicated, then the animation is going to get more complicated for us to create. So let's begin. All the scenes happen in one background. The story is meant for kids between 3 to 5 years old. So ChatGPT has given me 3 characters, Timmy, Lily and Benny, and here's a short story. Now, the next thing we have to do is create voiceovers. I want to keep the process very simple. That is why I'm copy pasting it here. And here's the scene, scene 1. There are 5 scenes. Now, for the voices, we are going to head over to 11 Labs and create the voiceovers. Go to voices. Since it is an animated video, a childlike voice would be great. So Gigi is here.
Can exist only in acceptance.
Perfect voice, right?
If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door.
So I'm going to choose Gigi's voice for Lily. So let's go to text to speech. Let's try this voice.
The world is round, and the place which may
Finn looks good, so I'll use the voice for Timmy. Now, while creating the voices, you should not create it all together. You can go one by one, like scene by scene you can go, so it will be easier us to edit. This is the first voice, so I'm going to use Finn's voice. I've selected Finn. I'm pasting my text here. Every month 11 Labs gives you 10,000 credits. It will use only 11 credits per dialogue.
catch Lily.
So this is generated. Now I'm going to download it. Likewise, you can put in the text for different characters and download it one by one. After that, you have to go to Canva. Here you are going to create a design, a video landscape. In the elements, I'm going to search for park. You can choose relevant one from the list here. I'm using this one. Now it is a flat and kind of a boring image, right? So we'll add a few other elements like plants. This section you press here and select animated. So you can select this plant here and let's put it in one corner. Reduce the size, put it back. This tree, again reduce its size and put it here. The scene has become more lively and our video is approximately 2 minutes long. So what we are going to do here is we are going to increase its length. We can click here and make it 120 seconds. Now just download it. Go to Google and type Adobe Audio to Animation. The first link you have to click on and then press start now. Now here we are going to create character animations. Yeah, I've selected young people and I am choosing this character. Now you have already downloaded the voices. From here you are going to animate the character as well. Now let's see the first voice I have selected here. Now this character is going to get animated. We have 3 characters. Now when one character is talking, the other could be quiet, right? For that also we have a solution. I have blank audio clips which we'll use to animate these characters and I'm using it against a green background. Now I'm going to replace the audio with a blank one. And from here I'm going to use a 5 second of silence. So the character would be still moving but he won't be talking. So it has completed now and it's wrapping up. We'll download it. Now we have downloaded the animated videos for all the characters. Let's use Livy for our another character for Lily. We use Livy and similarly create videos for her as well. Then for the third character, we can use this character Manish. You have to open CapCut and start a new project. Put the untitled design, that is our background. I've put the character, but it contains the green background. So we are going to click here. Make sure that video tab is here. Then we are going to go to cutout and then chroma key it. Okay, you have to increase the strength. Now the background is gone. Likewise, you have to import other character as well. You head over to Pixabay. You can find royalty free music here. Okay, this one sounds good to me. Now I'm downloading it. And after importing the music, you have to make sure that you lower down its volume as low as possible so that it does not interfere with the dialogues. Now place all the clips one by one, and cut it into scenes. Scene 1 ends here. And then you export the video. And this is how the video now looks.
Catch, Lily.
Got it, Timmy.
I never get to play.
Hey, Benny, do you want to play with us?
Really? You want me to play too?
Of course. Friends share and play together.
Wow! Thanks, guys. You're really nice.
Being nice makes everyone happy. We are good friends.
We are good friends.
It is very simple. You have to put in the hard work. For the first 100 videos, you should not even stop. First one, you can improve the script. In the second one, try improving the thumbnail and the title. In the later videos, try improving the idea itself. Likewise, improving 1 or 2% every time. You can create this kind of video and start making money. I'll keep creating such videos on my channel, so subscribe to it. Giving you a quick recap of how the videos are made. First of all, you have to go to ChatGPT. You have to put the prompt for creating the story. After creating the story, you have to come to Google Docs and paste the character details and story here. Go to 11 Labs, get started for free. You can create up to 10,000 characters worth of audio. So create audio voices for all your characters. After that, you have to head over to Canva and create a very lively background for our video. And make sure you give it the length. The actual length of the video should be 2 minutes. Here you can change the length and give the actual length. Make it more lively by putting all other elements as well. Animate your voice for free on Adobe and create the animated videos for all your characters. Here is Levi for our Lily character. Javi I have used for Timmy, and for Benny we have used Manish. Here you insert all the audio files that you created from 11 Labs and create the videos. After that you have to come to import all the background and the characters we created. Insert one by one all the clips on the timeline. Make sure to chroma key it, remove the green background from the video. After that you have to head over to Pixabay and download the royalty free music. That music you can then insert and lower down the volume of the background music so that the dialogues are visible. And here your video is ready. Now just export it and upload the video on YouTube and start making money.